UI UX gonna be UI UX gonna be replaced by AI. All the social media accounts, especially the big one, small one, podcasts and articles share their opinion about this. So today I gonna share my opinion to debunk the mystery behind this question. Is really UI UX being replaced by AI? Watch until then to find out. Let's go. AI been booming for a while now, as we know. Yes, many industries have an impact on this new technology. Almost every day, new technology is emerging. As a UI UX designer for more than 7 years, I can say AI technology bring a lot of changes in UI UX world. It's not the same as used to be before. Some of you might think that pursuing this career is not worth in 2025 or even near future. I imagine that people who think in this way, perhaps in their mind thinking that with single click that everything can be done. It's good to have fantasy that having a magic wand and we can simply use to create a design that can satisfy the stakeholder and the clients. But it's not like that. This thinking is just mere illusions. All this be happening especially after AI coming in the market and people having some sort of a, as I said, illusion or wrong believings. Well, I think it's a totally wrong perception. My take is AI not gonna replace UI UX designer, but it's gonna assist you to make a better designer, faster and efficient. I will repeat again, AI will not replace UI UX designer. Let me tell you why. UI UX job is a human-centric career. We all know that in UI UX, empathy with our target user is very important. Also, knowing that our user pain point and problems as human is very crucial in creating a better products. All this leads to understanding how human minds works. More communication between the stakeholders and others needed more than AI. Ultimately, all these boiled up to a human touch. What I'm saying is, all this still required a human touch basically, right? Today, a lot of AI tools has been created in market to assist us, especially UI UX designer. This is the most important factor that we should consider as a UI UX designer, I believe. Tools such as ChatGPT and Relium is going to help UI UX designer to work less on mundane tasks and focus on the important ones. Let's see some example how Relium helping UI UX designer in wireframing stage. In Relium, you just need to prompt your project details and requirements. Relium will process it and create wireframe accordingly. Not only that, but it will also create a sitemap for your design, which comes really handy. From there, you can tweak it accordingly to your requirements. If you want a video about Relium, please let me know in the comment section below. I sincerely believe that you're gonna be replaced by another designer, not by AI, but another designer who is using AI in their workflow. That's how the UI UX designer gonna be replaced in future. And this is the fact you must understand how we're going to be replaced. Another important thing I want to highlight here is how the UI UX designer currently still sticking with the old recipes. Old rules. It's already 2025 and I think the old rules doesn't work anymore. As a designer, you just cannot just design another Netflix app and call it a day. It's not gonna work, absolutely. Implementing new ways to solve problems is much more needed in the UI UX world more than ever. With AI, this is much more possible than before. AI can assist you to solve a complex problem, and you can use this leverage to make your design much more faster and efficient. If you look to job report 2025, UI UX comfortably sits on the top 10 rank in the top fast growing jobs. This data shows that this career is going to grow in coming years. This job is now full of opportunities to those who are willing to adapt and also innovate. Let me tell you, a well-designed user experience directly impacted key business metrics such as conversion rate, customer retention, and revenue growth. UI UX professionals are responsible for understanding a real user problems, aligning design decision with the business objective, and ensuring that digital products solve real user problems effectively. By conducting user research, UI designer helps shape the product roadmaps, optimize user flows, and drive overall business success, far beyond just creating visually appealing designs. So guys, all this can't be simply replaced by AI. If you want to stay in the game longer and sustain, the key is you need to be constant learning and upskilling. That's the advice I can give. Just pixel pushing will not guarantee you a long-term UI UX job or the career. Critical thinking and creative solve problems is much more needed way than before in this field. AI will help you to eliminate all the hustle, and you can focus more on creating a better designs and creating the product that works for the users, basically the market. I hope this video helped you to clear the doubt of how AI impacting the UI UX world. If you are new to UI UX world, why not learn Figma? Figma is #1 tool that every UI UX designer need to know. This is the video. You can go right now and click it and watch it. If you have anything to share, please put in the comment section. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Until next time, bye bye.